Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another tutorial on unlocking the screen pattern password, and this time it's for the M14. So, if you've forgotten your pattern, PIN or any other lock screen password, this is for you. In a moment, I'll also talk about how you can unlock your email and Google account, in case you need to, okay? In some cases, you'll need to use a USB cable with your computer to proceed, and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here, alright? So, in order to remove this screen pattern password, in some cases, you'll need to connect a USB cable. So, remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. So, now we're going to connect the cable. Let's do the first procedure using the cable. You can leave it on this screen or on the emergency screen, which is this one here where I prefer to leave it. You need to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. The Samsung logo appeared on the screen, and the logo didn't disappear. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Volume down and power. Hold them until the device restarts, just like we said. Keep holding. Just a few more seconds. Release the volume down and press the volume up. Now pay attention to the screen. Keep holding. Just a little bit longer. Now release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top. Keep holding until it enters recovery mode, just like we said. Once it's in recovery mode, you can unplug the cable. This is recovery mode. I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, okay? So now you scroll down. Press the volume down button. Let's go to this option. Where it says IP data factory reset, confirm with the power button. Scroll down to this second option and confirm again. Let's wait for this information to finish loading so we can continue with the unlocking process. Just a little bit longer. Keep holding on, or rather, keep waiting. When you get to this screen, confirm one more time. And now your device is already being unlocked, okay? If you need to unlock your email, it's only for Google accounts. Our number is there. It's also in the video description, so you can get in touch and talk directly with me, clear your doubts, ask your questions, and check the price for your unlock. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.